Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to buy crypto with PayPal on crypto.com. So step 1 is going to the top up section right here. So I don't have crypto.com because I don't really use it. So that's how it's going to look like. And then you're going to have to press connect to PayPal basically right here. So here from first you have to go to top up basically. And then next you'll have to connect with PayPal right there. You'll have to log in with your PayPal, agree and pay now basically next, and then top up 100 USD and then confirm that transaction and they'll be on your way. And it's just that simple to buy crypto on crypto.com using your PayPal. And there you go guys. If you have missed a step, all you have to do is redo it again and I'll just shimmy it down for you. So top up, connect with PayPal, input your PayPal details, and then select your preferred card in PayPal, and then or you can use your balance and then select it again and then confirm the transaction and you'll be on your way.